Hey everyone, so still haven't gotten my package. So on to the next color. I thought I would have gotten it by now. So this is Blew Me Away, but it's got like a teal or a turquoise eyeshadow, and then the contour color is blue. So, and the rest of these colors are like turquoisey too, but that's that. So I'm gonna start, because this is all I have left right now, is Underground, and it's like a bronzy color, but it's all I have left is the bronze and the beige. So that's I'm gonna use. I don't think it's gonna affect the color, because these are so sheer, because they're actually meant to be overlays. I'm in a lot of pain. So I'm gonna go into that turquoise color, and let's put that on the lid. See, it doesn't really affect the color. But it does add a tiny bit of sparkle. Now I'm gonna go into that pretty navy blue color. See, I just used the turquoise, and now I'm gonna go into that. So I might have to do a malpractice suit. The hospital, I had to do blood work to be on top of my cholesterol. And since they have a hard time finding my vein, the girl asked me where do I want to be stuck at, and I told her the hand is the easiest place to find my vein, but she stuck it in so hard, my whole body just jerked forward. And she just asked me if I was okay, and I said yeah, because it always hurts when you stick a needle in, but it's been 6.5 weeks and I'm still in a lot of pain. Of course, they're trying to say it's not their fault and they're not paying for anything, but I gotta find out what's going on, because it's just getting so bad I can barely use my left hand. But anyway, so I'm gonna use Halo Effect today. It's a beige. Looks like it might have some pink, some very light pink undertone. I'm gonna use that for the highlight color. Wow. So the matte blue is picking up on the shimmers that I put on the bottom. I love that. Alright. Oh, my hand hurts. So I'm gonna go into that pretty like aqua-y color right there for the inside, and then that tealish color on the outside. As usual in all the pictures, you see how bad it creases. So it always looks pretty when it first goes on, but it's not good. But then it creases after like within half an hour. Alright, so I'm going to do, regular black liner mascara, finish my makeup, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I'm telling you, man, it hurts so bad. Anyway, the last lip product I haven't used is, I believe, Thrill Ride. It is a beautiful shimmery pink. So look at that. That is really pretty. So I use the same highlighter color that I did on my eyes, halo effect on my nose and my cheeks. I've just been using NYX blush because it's what I have up here. I've been using it every day. Um, yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, I've also put the highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm trying to think if there's something else. No, I think that's it. As for my hair, as you can see, it's the color's fading out. This part is just, as it fades out, it looks really, really white. Yeah, everything's fading out. The teal, it still kind of looks like a teal, but it also kind of looks like a green, like maybe a teal green. Not as teal as it looked before, but yeah, I gotta be careful with my left hand right now. So yeah, so that's that as far as my hair, and